First of all, congrats on choosing to spend a semester studying in Lithuania. It's gonna be so full of adventure and culture and rich experience that you will never be able to get anywhere else. And the humble city of Klaipėda is gonna blow you away, and the people probably even more so. One of the biggest questions we get from prospective students of the program is how the heck does money work, and do I need to bring cash with me at the beginning of the semester? So we're gonna go over some kind of basic things to begin with, but it's important. So one, Lithuania is part of the European Union, which means they use the euro as their standard of currency. The euro is almost equivalent to the US dollar, but for every 1 euro, it's worth about $1.15. My first recommendation as a current student of the program is make sure that you have a credit or debit card that can be used internationally. If you don't have a credit or debit card, I would recommend opening an account with a widely known bank like Chase or Capital One. Then get familiar with their international transaction policy. So with Chase, my bank, they charge me an extra 3% for any purchase I make that's not in US dollars. Now this is important, so listen closely. Other than having a credit or debit card, the program, LCC, the school itself, will provide you a stipend of 175 euros in cash every single month. You'll get your first part of your first stipend as you land in Vilnius, prepping for orientation, so you'll be able to hit the ground running with cash in your pocket. Now this brings up another notable point, that there is no included meal plan here at LCC. You use that 175 euros however you like, but you're probably gonna need to buy some food with it. Now 175 euros, or about $205 a month, might not seem like a lot, but as someone who's going on their third month of using the stipend, it's more than you could ask for. Since food and living expenses are lower in Lithuania, you'll find that if you budget this money well, you'll actually end up with a good amount left over most of the time. So this is kind of a bonus, because you'll not only be able to eat well and learn how to cook in the communal kitchens, but you will also maybe have a little bit extra to put towards your own adventures. If you are terrified of the idea of cooking for yourself, you'll also be relieved to know that there is a cafeteria here on campus that operates from about 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and they serve great food for anywhere between €1.50 and €2.50. That gets you started on how money works here in Lithuania, but if you have more questions, get in touch with the CIE office. You can find their info at lcc.lt/study-abroad. There will be more videos and ergo more questions that will be answered in the crash course from here on out. Until then, we will see you for your semester in Lithuania.